XRP, in contrast to the vast majority of other cryptocurrencies, was not developed as an alternative means of payment nor as a replacement for traditional paper money or the entire banking system as a whole. Rather, its primary purpose was to serve as a decentralized distributed ledger. The creation of a new technique of computation for the financial system is the objective of XRP. More specifically, the goal is to provide an alternate method of interbank transactions that charges the lowest possible fees. Hello and welcome to your very own channel Crypto Live. Today we are going to talk about XRP. Stay with us until the end of the video to know more. Like and subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell button to get notified for all the latest updates. Let's jump to the topic. The primary objective of the Ripple network is to guarantee a high rate of completion for monetary transactions. To store information about transactions, the system makes use of something called a consensus registry, which is very different from the traditional blockchain in a number of respects. Traditional algorithms for reaching an agreement, such as proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS, hinge the formation of trust in nodes on either the amount of processing power they possess or the value of their balances. In Ripple, trust is established based on the reputation of the owners of node validators, which can be financial institutions or other recognized businesses, Axis Bank, American Express, Royal Bank of Canada. In order for transactions to be validated, the validators need to achieve a consensus on the veracity of the transactions. It is not feasible to add new currencies to the system through mining or forging because the maximum number of XRP tokens, 1 billion coins, were issued at an early point of the protocol's life. This rendered it impossible for new coins to be created. There is no benefit for monitoring transactions because the commissions for making transfers are burned out in an irreversible manner, hence reducing the number of tokens that are currently in circulation. Since banks who use the protocol for mutual settlements have an interest in the stable operation of the system, it is typically the case that these banks are the ones who hold the node. The consensus method used by Ripple's network is frequently criticized for not being transparent and having a low degree of decentralization. In July of 2021, there were just 55 node validators that verified transactions. The developers of the system are aware of the requirement to grow the network. Accordingly, the corporation has mentioned on its blog on multiple occasions their intentions to extend the number of trusted nodes. Ripple enables immediate exchange of currencies as well as other assets. When the user makes a transfer, the currency conversion will be handled on their behalf, therefore, they do not need to be concerned about the type of currency that is held on their balance. The capability of the system to carry out exchanges in such a lightning-fast fashion transforms it into a major center for the processing of international settlements and interbank payments. The developers of the system believe that cryptocurrencies should be subject to government oversight in some form. Ripple has earned widespread acceptance among the world's most important financial institutions as a result of its stringent adherence to formal criteria. Since 2014, well-known financial institutions like Mitsubishi UFJ, UBS, and UniCredit have begun operating within the system as active participants. History of Ripple, XRP. After the coin's inception several years ago, the price of XRP has been so tiny for most of that time that it has been almost useless. Before 2017, the asset's value hovered around 1 cent, however this quickly changed as the token started receiving more widespread press. In addition to this, it capitalized on the robust expansion of the cryptocurrency business during that same year. The price of XRP had reached 5 cents by the end of April 2017, and it continued to gradually increase until it reached 25 cents in May. After that, the asset had passed the point of no return as it caught the attention of crypto enthusiasts who saw the worth and potential of the XRP coin. After that, there was no turning back for the asset. The value of the asset had been increasing all throughout 2017, and it continued to do so right up to the beginning of 2018, when it reached a new high of $3.84. However, this was quickly followed by a significant decrease in value, which had an effect on the values of all other cryptocurrencies. The price of XRP reached a level of stability at 30 cents towards the end of 2019, and it did not go above the threshold of 50 cents at any point during the year. Despite this, the positive growth of 2020, which started at the close of the year, contributed to the rise in the price of XRP. $1.50 was attained in value for the token before the end of the year. The continuation of this increase was anticipated to commence in the year 2021, however, due to the SEC's announcement that they will be suing, this cannot take place. Following the statement, a number of exchanges decided to stop trading XRP on their systems. In the midst of the panic, many of people who were holding the coin decided to sell it. This resulted in a momentary decrease in the price of XRP at the beginning of 2021, but it was followed by a subsequent rebound as the value of the cryptocurrency market skyrocketed. Since then, XRP has demonstrated that it still has more than sufficient backers by responding favorably to market-wide price movement and all of the recent bull runs in the cryptocurrency market. Even in March of 2022, the item's average price was higher. The direction that the price of XRP takes in the future will be heavily influenced by the outcome of the litigation. Nevertheless, despite all of the negative publicity, the currency has demonstrated that it can still be successful. Over the course of the past day, the price of one XRP currency fell by 10.15%, landing at $0.3466. The cost of XRP has declined by 11.56% over the course of the past week. It is now the 8th largest cryptocurrency when measured by market capitalization, which places it in the 8th spot overall. Because prices are currently trading lower below the last support line, the price analysis chart for XRP/USD over a period of 4 hours reveals that the market trend is negative. As a result of the 50-day simple moving average falling below the 200-day simple moving average, the moving averages are currently in a bearish crossover. The relative strength index is sitting at 42.51 right now and is going up, which indicates that the market is now oversold and that the prices may have a corrective rally in the very near future. The current value of the relative strength index is 34.81, which places it in the oversold region of the market. This suggests that a price reversal rebound may be occurring during the next few days. On the other hand, based on the 4-hour graph, the volatility of the market is extremely low, which indicates that the market is currently in a consolidation stage. A negative market trend has developed as prices trade below support lines that were established in the past, and this has resulted in the prices steadily falling from their peak point of 36 cents down to their low point of 30 cents. Prices are currently trading at or near previous support levels, which indicates that the market trend is currently bearish. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to get more informational videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, my friend.